Nice and lovely. Beautiful recipe and a simple recipe with Chef Ricardo salad bar. Anyway, I'm going to be doing a very simple recipe today. And you know what I mean? I'm going to be using some spinach. I have some spinach which I have washed off already, and I'm going to run it through the rice. I have a little bit of leftover rice, and I have some spring onion, tomato. It's a must. Not any salad. My favorite. Cucumber. Why not? My little secret which I have over here, I'm going to put a little bit in it. A little bit of black pepper. Little bit of garlic and tomato. They are dry one. These are the dry one. Beautiful, lovely, and nice. And my favorite thing over here, dry chili. Little bit of dry chili. Then little bit of so you can put a little bit of my vegetable season. Really nice. That's vegetable season. Very, very nice season, guys. Not only that, I can, but I'm just gonna keep it simple. You know what I mean? Nothing too complicated for tonight. You know? Just gonna leave it at it is. Natural, you know, or authentic. Alright, look at this now. Lovely. So what we're gonna do is run a carrot through it. See that? That's the carrot. Alright? Once I run a carrot through it, then mix him up. You might ask Chef Ricardo, you're one of the best in the world. Where you get this kind of recipe from? Well, as I said before, when I was growing up, my grandmother teach me a lot of stuff. Must use your hand to make fashion and never be shy to cook at home in your own kitchen. That's what my grandmother always tell me. Never shy to cook in your kitchen, guys. So, get the bowl and shear it out. You see this one now? Say, if you're going to work and you're working in the school or somewhere, you bring some salad like this, go down to your salad bar, and you can put a little bit of dressing where you like to put on it. You know what I mean? Because you also want to bring your own salad to work and all these things. Keep yourself natural and healthy. As I always say in my video, 75% of the salad, of the food, must be salad. What do you think, guys? That is just vegetable, some spinach, and you know what I mean? Spinach, and a few bits and pieces in it. So, you know what I mean? To make it up. Very, very nice and simple salad. So hopefully guys you like this recipe at home. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and leave a comment in the description box. Easy one to make in your own kitchen at home from Chef Ricardo.